Hey, lunch break?
Yes, lunch break.
Do you like it?
Yes, love it.
Really? That's great.
Best job ever.
What do you do?
Marketing manager, actually.
Sounds very creative.
Yes, very creative work.
Do you enjoy meetings?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes, no.
Honest answer.
Just being real.
How long there?
5 years now.
Long time. Impressive.
Yes, time flies fast.
Do you like colleagues?
Yes, great team here.
That matters so much.
Yes, makes work enjoyable.
Do you like your boss?
Yes, very supportive boss.
Lucky you, really.
Yes, I know that.
My boss is difficult.
Oh, sorry to hear.
That's okay. Manageable.
Hope it gets better.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Do you like your job?
Mostly yes, sometimes stressful.
What causes the stress?
Tight deadlines, mostly.
That is difficult, yes.
But I manage somehow.
Good. Stay strong then.
Thank you. Trying my best.
What field do you work?
Finance, numbers all day.
Oh, very detailed work.
Yes, requires much focus.
Do you enjoy numbers?
Yes, actually I do.
Good. Matches your skills.
Yes, perfect match, honestly.
Do you want promotion?
Yes, working towards that.
What position you want?
Senior analyst, next step.
You will get there.
Thank you. Hope so.
Hard work pays off.
Yes, I believe that.
Do you like this company?
Yes, good company culture.
Same here. Very positive.
Makes work more enjoyable.
Exactly. Big difference maker.
Do you work overtime?
Sometimes. Not too often.
Good balance then?
Yes, company respects that.
That's important, really is.
Yes, prevents burnout completely.
Do you like remote work?
Yes, 2 days weekly.
Perfect balance, that sounds.
Yes, best of both.
Do you commute far?
About 30 minutes daily.
Not too bad then.
Nope, quite manageable actually.
How do you commute?
By train every day.
Comfortable ride?
Yes, usually quite comfortable.
Do you read during commute?
Yes, always reading books.
What book now?
Business strategy book. Currently.
Sounds very useful.
Yes, learning a lot.
Do you apply lessons?
Yes, at work daily.
Smart approach, really is.
Yes, continuous learning matters.
Do you have goals?
Yes, career goals mainly.
What's your main goal?
Director position, eventually. Someday.
Big goal, ambitious.
Yes, working towards it.
You will achieve it.
Thank you, hope so.
Do you like challenges?
Yes, actually love them.
That's the right mindset.
Yes, growth comes from challenges.
Very wise thinking, Simon.
Thank you. Learned it slowly.
Do you mentor anyone?
Yes, 2 junior colleagues.
That's very generous of you.
I enjoyed teaching others.
Good leadership quality, really.
Thank you. Means a lot.
Do you like teamwork?
Yes, prefer team projects.
Why team over solo?
Different perspectives help, always.
Makes sense. Very true.
Yes, better final results.
Do you socialize with colleagues?
Yes, sometimes after work.
That builds good relationships.
Yes, stronger team bonds.
Do you like company events?
Yes, quite enjoyable, actually.
What was recent event?
Team building, last month.
Sounds fun, was it?
Yes, really fun day.
Do you feel valued here?
Yes, definitely feel valued.
That's important for happiness.
Yes, absolutely essential, really.
Do you plan staying long?
Yes, no plans leaving.
Good, stable choice then.
Yes, happy where I am.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you. Feeling grateful, actually.
Do you like weekends off?
Yes, definitely need weekends.
What do you do?
Hiking, mostly. Love nature.
Sounds very refreshing, really.
Yes, clears my mind completely.
Good work-life balance.
Yes, very important balance.
Lunch break almost over?
Yes, 5 more minutes.
Time flies during lunch.
Ha! Always does, yes.
Good talking with you.
Yes, enjoyed this conversation.
We should do again.
Yes, definitely again sometime.
Same time tomorrow?
Yes, sounds good actually.
Great. See you then.
See you tomorrow, Kevin.
Back to work now.
Yes, back to work.
Have a great afternoon.
You too, take care.
Thank you. Goodbye, Simon.
Goodbye, Kevin. See you.